Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video to speak and to listen myself because today's video is all about listening practice and which I'm going to do in this video. And if you want to learn English, so you can subscribe my channel and you can watch this video till the end. And so you will find like how you can do the listening practice. Why listen to yourself? Because the most important thing for improving yourself just speaking and then listening, because these all things will going to improve you in near future. So I'll just start with this video which I
You
uploaded
are struggling
just
and that
like 3 to 4 days back. And so you will find out a lot of uh, things which you can basically improve in yourself while speaking, so after listening to yourself. So let's jump into this video.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous day today. So I'm just recording myself to like checking my presentation skills, like where I'm expecting myself. So because I have uploaded multiple videos while sitting, and today I just want to upload video just standing and just see like how it works, because from one of my friends I've learned that I have basically told by him that you should need to basically record your videos while standing, because that is how you can able to improve more, because this is also a very effective method which public speakers do most of the time, and by that you can basically like give energy to a lot of people who are like watching you and listening to you. Basically this is the basically thing why that you are creating a aura in front of you. If you are standing and you are delivering some sort of things, so you should need to be have a confident, and so these all things basically matters to me, and that is why I'm just doing the practice of these particular skills as well. So while standing, I'm feeling something different, because if I'm sitting and that time my mind is basically not working that much that I want to do basically, and this is also a big part. If something wants to do, then he can basically do that. And apart from this, as I've already told you in previous videos, where I have just told you about like writing down some sort of goals which you want to achieve in upcoming year, because that is how you are going to work on yourself, because nowadays working on yourself is very most important part, because if you are not working, then in the end of your life or some sort of time where you are struggling, and that time you will find out very uh, very desolated, or you can say very stressed, because you haven't prepared for that outcome. So always basically have some sort of space where you can basically search which are the things.
So what are the mistakes which I have found up in this video is like using basically words multiple times, because there are other alternative words as well, like specifically, or and while standing and just speaking, there is lot of movement, and because of that there is less focus on speaking. I found out these kind of mistakes in my multiple videos, but yeah, in this video there is more, and in some places like disoluted, where I've stuck too much. So yeah, these are all the mistakes which I need to write down, and then in upcoming days I will try to not repeat it again, because if you are listening and if you are recording yourself while front of YouTube, so YouTube and camera, so you need to basically try to make minimum errors. So that is why I do this practice. So if you found this video helpful, so watch my previous video as well, and every day I have to upload one English language video, whether it is a listening practice or speaking practice. So that is how my they look likes, because I have made a one commitment, like to basically give 5 to 10 minutes of my goal without like getting missed out a single day. So that is why I am here. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye bye. Have a good day.